Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to import data from web pages into Google Sheets. Start by clicking the cell where you want the imported data to appear. Then you'll use the built-in function to bring in data from a web page. You'll need the URL of the page and tell Google Sheets whether you want to import a table or a list and which table or list on the page you want. After you enter the details, Google Sheets will start fetching the data. If the table is large, it might take a few moments to load. While it's loading, the cell may appear to show an error or have a little red triangle in the corner, but this is normal. Hover over the cell to see the status. Once the data is loaded, it will automatically fill the cells, spreading to the right and downward. Make sure the space where the data will go is empty, otherwise Google Sheets might return an error. And that's it. You've successfully imported data from a web page into Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip for Google Sheets.